Looking to revamp your hair, skin, or style game? From beauty products to fashion-forward finds and more, lifestyle expert Dawn McCarthy found some things to help kick off the new year, including this green skirt I've been wearing this morning. Dawn, you have been scouting all year long for some new things to try in 2024, and here we are.
We are. So first off, obviously, we want to kick off the new year being healthy and happy at the same time. And I love Unite protein bars. They're perfect for on the go. They're actually even available in the Houston area at H-E-B, which I know that you absolutely love, and Sprouts. This was their new flavor that they just introduced last year, the baklava. So they're globally inspired. And what I also love, they're gluten-free. They're all natural. They come with an almond butter or peanut butter. Some of them have over 10 grams of protein. So it's that great on-the-go bar that you want to have. And again, I love all the different flavors. They've got a churro, a peanut butter and jelly. What do you think of the baklava?
Like sometimes the protein bars are a little iffy, right?
Yes.
This is good.
Aren't they really good? And like I said, you can just get them locally here in the area. Sprouts, H-E-B, where everybody always stops. And I really like almond butter. I mean, a lot of people don't. The people that don't like peanut butter, they can kind of do either one.
We have options. There's like a chocolate thing over here
exactly,
too, right?
Yeah, they've got a Mexicali hot chocolate that's delicious. So again, with the weather being much colder, those are really kind of great to go. But this is kind of a great way to start the year with a healthy snack.
Yeah, I've just become familiar with this line right here. I love it.
Yeah, so this is Bluelene, and again, they just launched their Face and Neck Remodel Mask, Deb, and I absolutely love this. Again, they've got an all-star lineup of the most innovative anti-aging ingredients. Methylene Blue is what it's all about, that reverses the aging process. Like I said, the scientist behind this, Dr. Sayeh, actually discovered it's kind of like Benjamin Button turning back time, but it has not only the methylene blue, but it has peptides, growth factors, and it's going to remodel your face and neck. It's going to lift and sculpt your cheeks. It's going to help your neck. Most importantly, that's an area that most women forget. And that's kind of why I wanted to highlight this at the beginning of the year. You don't want to forget about that. That's going to help contour your jawline. Again, help with any crow's feet, which I personally have a lot of, so I love this line. It's going to double the collagen and elastin, and again, you're going to start to see results in 2 weeks.
Yeah, and,
so I love things that, in 2 weeks.
And a wide enough line that you can get what applies to you. Some people it's like they just want a good eye cream. Some people they want, but yeah, that can be your whole regimen. And like you said, Benjamin Button. So like when you're 150 years old, people will think you're 40.
Exactly, and I really love their night cream as well. But I kind of want to, with so many products that they have, this is the one I really want to, remodel here for our face and neck as we start this year. Nothing happened here.
Yeah. All right. Moving on to for your hair.
Yeah. So this is Thicc Organics. Now you have a lot of long hair. I have thin, fine hair, so Thicc Organics has been my go-to. It's also a viral sensation on TikTok. They have tons of people loving this hair oil. So they've got a hair repair oil right here. This oil right here that you can see, it's their Thicc hair oil. That's what really is going wild. But they've got a little roller brush. They've got a scalp brush. It's 100% organic ingredients. And basically what it's going to do, it's all the ingredients are also made here in the U.S., Deborah, which is really, really important. And again, some people are seeing results after 1 month of use.
Wow.
So I really love it, the fact that you can use these rollers, and I love these to actually like stimulate your scalp growth and stuff. Again, I have thin, fine hair, so I'm always looking for a great hair product, and Thicc Organics has definitely done that for me. And again, if you want to even see more on them, just go see some stories on TikTok. But first off, I want you to plan for the year with Lovet planners. Okay, so I'm all about creating my own vision board, but they've now made it easier into a planner. So this company has created for us, this was created by Sayeh. It's a woman, and even Forbes says visualizing success works. And so there's all these.
She's so right about that. Look, we put so much stuff in our phones and never see it again.
Yes.
Right? So I'm one of those people that I'm tactile, I'm visual, and I love to be able to open up a book and do something like this.
And who doesn't like some money, Deborah?
Yeah.
So you can, basically there's no more cutting out of magazines and stuff. She's made it so easy for you to create your own vision board, and a lot of these kits where you can just do lots of inspirational quotes, things that you're doing. And in this book, I love that there's a section for love. There's a section for health. And again, this is a gift I give to everybody to kick off their January. You really want to check out Lovet planners. And again, look at all these tabs, Deborah.
Yeah. For everything, anything in your home, your travel, your career, everything you need. Yes.
Anything that you need. This is kind of a go-to and a great gift to give someone.
If you go into your home tab and say we need to get rid of those bugs, as seen on Shark Tank right over here.
Exactly. This is Wondercide, and you've actually seen me talk about this line before, but they just released their flying insect trap. And what I love about this is this is a line that's great for people, pets, your home. There's no insecticides in this. It has some Blue V technology in it that's going to attract the bugs to it. And it's a little nightlight that they have that they've just released, but they've got tick and fleas for the dogs. And I love that this person, like you said, was on Shark Tank. She created this out of a use for her own pet. So again, this is a woman entrepreneur, female founded. And again, I don't like flies, and I definitely don't like them in my home.
And here in Houston, we have, for most of the year, we're kind of on the warm side, so bugs really proliferate here.
And this, I believe, is under $30 or under $25. So go and check this out. And they even have like big containers depending on what you need. But I love something that's non-toxic for my pets. In the house, being a dog mom like I am, I care about what's happening with my child in the house. So again, there's no zaps, no nothing that's going to happen. I absolutely love Wondercide, so check them out.
Can we talk about getting your child a little laser hair removal?
Well, lastly, what we have here is Deborah's going to step outside here for me. So this is YMI Jeans, and this is a transcending jean brand that has been around since 2000 with the Y2K movement, which is back right now, Deborah. And so these are affordable denim jeans options that they have.
We found this skirt on that line, too.
We did. So Deborah's wearing this skirt, but what's under that skirt, Deborah? Why don't you show us what's under that?
I'm glad you asked, Dawn, because I got a pair of these Y jeans, okay?
Yes, you do. The YMI jeans that Deborah's wearing, all the jeans are under $50. Deborah, I think maybe even we can put this over here. We've even got a little jacket that'll go with it.
Before we do that, let's check. They say that
it hugs every curve, even Deborah's booty, and it helps get a little bit of lift.
It says right here, want a better booty, right?
Want a better booty. Yes. And what I love about this line too is with the Houston Rodeo coming up around the corner, if you need jeans to look hot and ready for this rodeo, because this isn't any typical rodeo, right, that you have here in Houston,
the largest one in the world.
You need to like look the best, but it hugs every curve. Denim is just a classic that I think works all year round. It's really making a comeback. Like she's in the black, but they also have the blues.
Yeah, all the different washes. But this particular denim in the material's got some lycra in there, so this will grow with you when you need to grow, and it'll come back down. Basically, these jeans meet you where you are.
Exactly, and it's got a ton of stretch in it. Like, didn't you say, like, you can move, you can stretch, you can do whatever you want to do. So again, with, like I said, the Houston Rodeo being around the corner, YMI Jeans, just go to their website.com. You're going to love it. I have a pair of these jeans. I travel in them, and they're wonderful, and I love the price point. Like I said, being under $50 is really helpful for those of us that are watching our budget, because we all want different color jeans, but always don't have with the price
and I gotta
points.
tell you, they're so comfortable that I had them on underneath the skirt, right? Because some jeans are heavier and bulkier as well. These are a much thinner material, so when you're in those hot days in Houston, you don't feel like you're just like all covered.
And what do you think of the flare cut?
Oh, I love the flare. I feel so modern. I feel like the young people.
See, she's got the flare cut on with her great boots, so we're going to be able to go to that Houston Rodeo looking fine, killing any bugs or flies that are flying around. You've got your planner for the whole year, and our hair is going to be looking great, skin, and we'll have a snack for our bag to take with us.
All right. Speaking of, you'll probably take those snacks with you because you're off to someplace next.
In a few weeks, like 2 more weeks, I'm heading off to the Fancy Food Show. So hopefully I'll be back soon showing you guys some other great treats.
Ooh, yeah, I want to see some fancy food because these jeans will allow me to eat some fancy food. All right. For more information on Dawn McCarthy or the products you saw, visit greatdayhouston.com.